This is breaking news from CBS News Sacramento.
So first up at 5, 8 people now confirmed dead. Another still missing after an avalanche at Castle Peak. Extreme winter weather making recovery efforts nearly impossible.
It's horrible to see, and I think that's why we're all so committed to seeing this through until the end. It's unfortunately, we're kind of at the will of Mother Nature at this point.
And this affects not only our communities, but other communities. We understand that.
And it's been busy. We have a lot to get to tonight. So let's start where all of this is happening.
The avalanche was northwest of Frog Lake at the north-facing aspect of Perry Peak, near Frog Lake and Castle Peak. The elevation there is about 8,200 feet. The U.S. Forest Service says the avalanche itself was about a football field in length.
Again, 8 people are dead. A 9th is presumed dead. 6 people survived and were rescued. So we do know 9 women and 6 men were on the backcountry ski trip that was led by Blackbird Mountain Guides. We're told one of the people who died is married to a Tahoe Nordic search and rescue crew member. 2
survivors were taken to the hospital. 1 was released last night.
I want to start our coverage tonight with your reporter covering Nevada County, Kayla Moeller. She's live for us in Nevada City at the Sheriff's Office. All right, Kayla, what have you learned since we talked to you last at 4:30?
Yeah, well, Tony and Marley, earlier today here at the Government Center, county officials along with neighboring agencies gave an update on that devastating avalanche, saying that this unfortunately has turned from a rescue mission into a recovery mission, with 8 people confirmed dead and a 9th person presumed dead. What we know is that a total of 15 people were out on a 3-day trip skiing in the backcountry, and there were 4 guides from Blackbird Mountain Guides, a company based in Truckee, along with 11 clients. 6 of those survived the avalanche, which was said to be the size of a football field. They had to shelter in place while they waited 6 hours for search and rescue teams to reach them. The sheriff's office says while they waited, they actually dug out 3 of the bodies. And then when crews arrived, they found 5 more in that same general area. Because of the heavy snow and statements from the survivors, they are presuming that 9th person did not survive. Now, the sheriff called the extreme weather conditions an understatement, and this was in the backcountry, an area prone to avalanches due to it being at more than a 30-degree slope. The Sierra Avalanche Center is always monitoring conditions and had issued an avalanche watch that morning, and then a warning hours before this avalanche hit.
We have new snowfall. We've had a rapid accumulation of new snow combined with high winds throughout the Tahoe area with this incoming storm system. And a lot of that new snow is falling on surfaces that consist of week-old snow. And so that sets up a condition where we have high avalanche hazard throughout the region.
Blackbird Mountain Guides said the group was returning to the trailhead when the avalanche hit. Officials say they are assisting with the search and cooperating with the investigators. The sheriff's office says it would be looking into why the group set out when they did, despite the severe weather forecasts. Now, initial reports were saying that there were 16 people on this trip, but we have since learned that there were 15 people, and that's because one person backed out of the trip last minute. They had tickets ready to go, but ultimately decided not to go. I actually spoke with her on the phone earlier today. She, was not feeling up for an interview, said that she is just trying to wrap her head around all this.
Yeah, there's a lot to think about when you come that close to that situation. Wow. Kayla, great job up there. Appreciate that coverage. The condition